Oh! Yeah, over there. Sit. Fly! Where's the fly? Get the fly! Get the fly! Where is he? Where's the fly? Where's the fly? Find the fly. He's over here. He's here. Where is he? There ain't even a fly. Where's the fly? Get it, Leo. Get the fly. He's over there.
Yeah, and he's the one they want to see, so they can tick their boxes. So if you want to go to sixth form, you better make sure that goes. Of course I care about your future, Mick. You're my pension.
What did they tell you in the mirror?